with you. After a long time later, Begum Rokeya University Rangpur is going to hold or organized a football tournament. I mean, Shohid Abu Said football tournament. I think you know the Shohid Abu Said was a student in Begum Rokeya University Department of English. Shohid Abu Said Bhai, he was only one person. He sacrificed his life in the Quota movement in 2024. I salute Shohid Abu Said Bhai for their everything work because he was a very special person for movement